guess I'm no longer lonely in the bunny server cub. You two are pretty humorous. If I only have to rate you on a scale of 1 to 10, you'd be a skelly 10. These guys know how to tickle my bunny bone. Do you guys happen to play a trombone? Totes. Oh my god. I can't believe a papyrus would submit to the dark side. Ugh. What would they do without such a cool guy taking care of him? Heh. Flirting with US papyrus. Yeah. Kid. Yes? Why are you always flirting with every monsters? I mean, you like to flirt. Because flirting is very interesting and everyone like it. Really? Then try flirting with me now. Flirt. Not feel. Strange. This should be useful and fun. Did I do it wrong? Maybe. Flirting is not your specialty. Wait, I have an idea. Cold. If I kiss you, then you should have a filter, right? Still not feel. Hey, I didn't start yet. I mean, you should practice it first. For practice, kiss me now. My brother, he's really cool. Papyrus is super amazing. A date? I'll beep you in the beep. Wash your filthy mouth. Sorry, Mom. This is amazing.